Hello, welcome to How to Literally. I'm going to compare Copilot versus Monarch app. So Copilot pros that it has beautiful UI, customizable budgeting categories, and automatic transaction syncing with bank accounts. Cons that it is paid only model. You need to pay $95 per year with no free trial and limited features for investment tracking. You can go to copilot.microsoft.com and you can try to generate a quick response. Also, in the top right corner, you can click on sign in, and in the top left, you can open sidebar and you can see your dashboard. Monarch app pros that it has pre-plan available, shared budgeting tools for couples, families, and real-time spending alerts. Cons that is still growing its feature set. UI is less polished than Copilot. You can go to monarchmoney.com, and in the top you can see features. You can see for couples, for professionals, you can see the pricing, resources, you can also download it, and you can sign in or sign out.